Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2017 through 2022 and likely beyond Kia Niro with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to help with the install. And I'll demonstrate the install on one of the Evo flush rail feet. So first I'll remove this outer cover, and within the foot you see we have a threaded post here. Now installing the parts of the fit kit, you'll notice each of these parts not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters to help guide in the correct order of installation. So here we have letter A, and that is the first part to be installed. And then here we have letter B, which is the next part to be installed, and I'll just press that to the underside of the foot. And then you have C, which is the last part, and that just attaches as shown here. And then you take the barrel fastener to hold those parts in place. Next, we'll go ahead and install this foot onto the load bar. And here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There's a track along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, and there you can slide in the approved hardware between the 2 pieces of rubber, giving you a method of attachment that offers excellent aerodynamics and a clean, integrated method of attachment for certain carriers and accessories. I'll go ahead and take that end cap off, and then here you see on the underside of the bar we have a slot, and within that slot we have this measuring device. Now the numbers on that measuring device are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those numbers if you like to help manually center your load bars on the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and slide this foot into place. At this point, it's important to put the end cap on, and with that end cap on, that will prevent the foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering this around on the vehicle. Okay, now with the foot pack, Thule includes a tool to tighten your fastener. Now this tool has a unique handle which will click once it's fully tightened. Generally, you tighten about 50% on each side. The goal is to tighten each side the same amount. So as you tighten, this fastener will not only be tightening to your side rail, but it'll also be tightening to the bar. And once it is tight, it will click, indicating you've reached full tightness. Okay, and then you may notice on the underside of the bar you still have some exposed slot there, and we want to fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bars. And you just cut that rubber to measure to fill in that slot to help maintain good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place with a snap. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold the cover in place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder, which is part of Thule's one-key system. So you purchase these lock cylinders in matched sets. So a set of 4 will lock all 4 of your feet to the side rails, giving you an effective theft deterrent. You can purchase these cylinders in larger quantities in order to have not only your base roof rack key matched, but also accessories and carriers that are part of Thule's one-key system can all be key matched and secured with one key for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all of your buying options. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel, and we upload new videos weekly. So thanks for watching.